Hey guys, Sherman again. In this video I'm going to take you through real quick on uploading your brand new plugin, activating your brand new plugin, and going over the features real quick for your brand new plugin, WP Lockup. Alright? First of all, I'm in the dashboard of the domain and my WP installation that I want to install it on. Remember guys, the domain is licensed. The license and the domain must match, okay? Use only the domain that you're going to use it on when you create your new license, okay? Now this is real easy and simple, so stay with me here and I'll go over this real quick. Alright, first of all, you're going to want to come over here and click on your plugin tab down here. Oh, I'm sorry. Your plugin tab is right here, okay? You click on the plugin tab and you're going to see Add New. You add new and you push upload. You push browse, and what this is going to do is locate the file on your computer where you downloaded the plugin to. Okay? I downloaded mine to the desktop and it's right here under WP Lockup. Double click on that and right there's the plugin. Click on it and push open. It's going to install it there and you push install now. Okay, the plugin has been uploaded and is in. You push activate the plugin. Alright, the plugin is almost ready to go. You must enter your valid license code for it to work. Okay, we already created this license code in the last video. Please watch video 1 if you're not sure how to get your license code. You click on that and you simply copy and paste in your license code that you created from before and you push submit. Congratulations, you're done. Now you must reactivate your plugin here. Alright, and you deactivate and you activate and you're finished. You can now use your plugin. Alright guys, now basically what you want to do is come down here, scroll down to your left hand side and you see the WP Lockup tab. Okay, you click on that and you're going to be confronted with some options. Okay, the first option, it's a 4-prong attack against hackers basically is what we've created here guys. So the first option is to lock up the database. Okay, this will change the database table prefix. Okay, if you know exactly what you're doing and you can read and you are very familiar with it, you can create your custom database prefix. I highly suggest, if you're going to do it, to just click this one button and it will create an automatic database change with a generated password. Okay, the generated password is very good for locking up your site guys, but like I said, if you really know what you're doing and you want to create your own custom database prefix, do it here. Once again, for most users I recommend using this option here. Very simple, one click guys. Next option, here you can change your default login. For instance, most people's default login is their domain.com /WP /admin. Okay, if you want to create a special secret one, you can put basically anything you want in here. It can be any preference that you want, any special birthday, anniversary, dog's name, any little famous saying or your own. And you simply click change login URL and your new login will be whatever you put in here. I'll go ahead and do a short example. Okay, let's say I want my normal is WP /admin. I'm going to change it to WP log. Okay, I change the login URL and it's set. Okay, if I wanted to come in here and log out of my WP dashboard and I wanted to log back in, okay, my login details would be mydomain.com/WP-log. And that's it. That easy, guys. You just simply push change. Okay, for this, I'm going to go ahead and change mine back. Change login URL, and it's back to the normal one. It's quite simple, quite easy, okay? I highly suggest you remember your login, but in case you ever forget it, if you ever get locked out, you could always go in by FTP or your hosting account file manager and simply delete the plugin. You'll have to go in and reinstall it, but you will be able to re-enter your dashboard and you'll be able to reinstall and take care of it from there. Okay, but I highly suggest you just remember it and you'll be okay. Next option is the WP lockup authorization. Okay, this simply produces another login. It will be very much like your first login, and it will just produce another username and password that you can add. It will not work until you add a new username and new password. This will simply produce a new pop-up box that you must enter your details in twice. It's simply another layer of protection. You can enter the same ones if you like. They can be different. They can be whatever you want. And you push save options, and this will pop up when you go to log in the next time into your site. And next we have, actually this was the first one, but we'll go over it now. This enables a CAPTCHA. Okay, we all know what CAPTCHAs are. This will pop up on your admin login. Okay, this is very easy situation. This is run by Google. We all use Google. Any Gmail, any G account will work. You simply click here and you can get your public key and your private key by clicking here. Okay. Once you enter in these details, it will simply activate your CAPTCHA login. Okay. You can choose to have a white theme, a red theme, a black glass theme, or clean theme for that. And here we also added another great feature, guys. This is awesome. This will send an email to you after 5 unsuccessful login attempts. Okay, if a bot or some unworthy hacker tries to get into your site, you simply click this. This will, after 5 attempts, email you to your WP admin email address, which we all know how to do that. I'm not going to get into that here, but if you don't know your admin email address, go ahead and change it. Very simple. And this will get you in there, okay? This will send you an email, and you can do something to thwart the attack, okay? Here we go with the hide WordPress details. This will hide all your important personal details that you want to be hidden. You can hide all your details, the important ones, or none of them, and this is all your choice. You simply click Save Options, and all these options will be saved. Okay? Very simple, very easy, guys. I do want to cover one more thing, as we have had a few issues here, okay? This is very important, and I do want everybody to pay attention to this very closely. First of all, when you go to lock up your database, please, please, please do not do nothing with this unless you know exactly what you're doing. Okay, this is very touchy, and if you don't know, it's safer anyway, under 99% of the chances to create your own, but we've been asked specially to include this, and this is a good option, but only do it if you know what you are doing. Second, under the WP login URL, this will work great for anybody. First, you must change the default permalink structure in your WP dashboard. Most people will not have this problem, but some are having this problem. You must change the permalink structure within your WP settings. Okay, where are we? Okay, there we go. under permalinks. Okay, you want to create a custom structure. Do not leave default. Okay, do not leave it default, or that will not work. It's very important. Notice that you must know if you're going to use the custom login. Please do not use default. You simply have got to create a custom structure, numeric, month and name, or day. Okay, any of those will work. Okay. If you don't change it, that will not work, and you'll be directed to a 404 error page, actually. So please do not leave the default settings. Other than that, guys, it's very self-explanatory. All options are very easy. Here's your first option. Here is your second option. Once again, do not mess with this unless you know what you're doing. Here is your third option. Any login URL that you want, please change your permalink structure. Very simple. Under settings, under permalink, any one besides default. Change login URL and you're set there. Last one is a lockup authorization. This will create another layer of protection. You simply create a new username and a new password, and you're good, guys. That's it. That's it. That's it. This will protect your WP installations from 99% of the hackers out there. Once again, I hope you enjoy your plugin. We put a lot of work into this. Take care, guys. This is Sherman signing out. Hey everybody, this is Sherman from WP Lockup, and in this short video I just want to take you through. We've had a few problems with people figuring out how to get their purchase and figure out how to do the licensing action. We do this licensing thing to protect the integrity of the plugin, both for you guys and for us. I know every one of my customers are probably very honest, but some people aren't. And the simple fact is that people like to take advantage unless you protect yourself. Pretty much the same reason I made this very plugin, to protect us from harm from people that are trying to get us, plain and simple, for no silly reason at all. Anyway, I'm going to take you through this and show you the easy steps to, first of all, purchasing the plugin and getting your license key, and the next video I'll take you into installing it and running over the quick features real fast. The features are very powerful, but they're very easy to master. So I'm sure you're going to love this plugin, guys. Once again, thank you for your purchase, and I'm going to go through this part of it right now. I'm on the exact thread, and we come down here. Of course, we push the buy now button. And I'm going to go in and purchase this, and I'm going to show you from the second I push pay till the time I'm finished. You're going to see the whole process. Okay? Alright guys, here I am. I'm completing the purchase now. I just paid, and what happens is it takes you in here, and it says right here, return to hotels, etc. Washington at Gmail. This is my main PayPal email address. You must click on this to go back, okay? And click on that, and it'll take you here, okay? You can sit out and wait the 10 seconds, or you can click here. See, this brings you into your Warrior Plus account, okay? You're going to access your purchase right here. Right here, you will download your plugin to your PC. Now, if you look right here, you're going to get a special license code that you will use to produce your very own license number. Okay? This will be entered into the plugin itself, but you must copy this right here, this URL, excuse me, copy it, and you bring it up and you paste it into your browser and push go. It'll bring you right here. It will have your email you purchased from. You must enter your domain. Enter just the root domain here. It will cover all subdomains. Okay? Root domain here only. Depending on the application, depending on the version that you purchase, your application form will only be available as many times as you purchase. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and put in one of my domains here. and click get license code, and it produces the code that fast. You simply copy this code to your clipboard, write it down, copy, paste it to text, anything. Save this code, okay? And if you happen to have purchased 5-site, 10-site, or developer edition, please save the URL that you were directed to that is in your W Plus account, okay? If not, be sure you can always log in and re-get your license URL here, but for time's sake, I would save it elsewhere also. Okay? So that's the first part. That's getting your number, that's getting your license, and getting it all ready. In the next part, we're going to go over downloading the actual plugin and activating the plugin and going over the quick features. Okay? Thanks, guys. Have a great day.